pluck mango.
Shall I?
Yeah.
Mango season.
Yeah, mango tree. I cannot reach. This is out of my reach. So let's leave it away this one. Let's stop that. I harvested some seeds, flower seeds.
Oh. Good, right? Yes.
Can you see?
Este.
It's quite big, right?
Yes.
Oh, it's here. Oh, look here. So big.
These are the mangoes.
I'm going to plug this, okay? And shall we plug some more? Ata ne. Then bago ka bro. It's big, right?
Yes.
It's big as my eye. Rati mo.
That's enough.
Enough? Now let's go and prepare the sauces. Sauce ni? Sauce as what? Chili
sauce.
Let's cut and
Dip.
and let's go.
Wow. Wonderful coconut.
Good, right?
Oh.
It's beautiful. Look at the texture of this mango. It's going to be quite sour, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's going to be like a lot of Finish. I have finished feeling. Chili, and we have the chili one. Hi, look at the view. Oh my god, look at the sunset. It's so good. Look at my mango. Yeah. Mm. 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 It's good. Look at the chili. Look at the chili. Mm. Mm.
Ginaman daw. Ano ka tanda?
Ano?
Ako lang nga.
Ako ba?
Yung nga. Yung nga.
Ang yan.
Yung sa gata.
Ha? Nag. Ang nga.
Ano nga? Sige mo. Sige mo. Yung nga tanda. Sige ka. Ay, sige ko.
Sige mo. Okay, I'm moving. It's a fish. Okay. Bit min leaf, it hits differently. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's so good, and refreshing. Oh my god, the taste of the mango and the chili sauce. God, it's
Gengzivat.
you guys should also try it. Come look at the view. It's so good. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Please don't like and subscribe.
Please don't who's gonna rescue me? Bam 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 bam. I don't wanna na 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 bam 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 na 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 na. Konnichiwa, watashi wa Zinaruel. Thank you for watching. Arigatou gozaimasu. Kapun kab. Dhanyawad. Kurum zadiwa. Tagachari. Dam katharona. Dam kitharone. Kamhan paka. Amunansa. And what else?
What else? What else? What else?
Kamsamida. Sisinya. And what else do I know?